Welcome to another video of C++ programming course. In this video we will learn about type conversion in C++. In C++ you can convert data type of one type to another type. This is known as type conversion. There are two types of type conversion in C++. Implicit conversion, it is also known as automatic conversion, and explicit conversion, it is also known as typecasting. Implicit conversion is also known as automatic conversion. This type conversion is done automatically by the compiler. It is known as implicit type conversion. Conversion from one data type to another is prone to data loss. When you are doing automatic conversion or implicit conversion, you may lose the data. This happens when data of larger type is converted to a smaller data type. If you are converting of variable data type into converting into double or double converting into variable, you can lose the data. When two variables of different data types are encountered in same expression, the lower type variable is converted to the type of higher type variable. You will lose the data. If you are converting into long or long double, you may lose the data. So this conversion is done automatically. In case we do not want to lose the data, we will use explicit conversion, manually changing one type of data into another type of data. This is known as explicit conversion. This type of conversion also known as typecasting. We can also call this typecasting. The syntax for this style is: you will write any data type in which you are to convert the variable or expression in the brackets, and you will write the variable name. So you can see here data type variable, or you can use this typecasting in expression when you want the whole expression to convert in one specific data type. So let's do them practically and know the difference between explicit and implicit conversion. Here I will declare two variables, a equal to 100, int, I am creating variable int, and int b equal to 30. Now I want to save the result in float variable. I will divide a by b. So let's run this. Sorry, I have to print the result. So the answer is saving, but this is not correct. When you are dividing 100 by 13, you will get the answer in decimal number, but this is in integer. The result is not correct because the compiler is doing automatic conversion and the data is losing. To solve this, we will use typecasting or explicit conversion. We will write float in bracket. Now this expression and the answer of this expression will be converted into float, and this data will not lose. So this is the correct answer, and it is in decimal number. So this is the way of typecasting. Let's see another example in which I will creating a variable float and b float, and I will print the modulus of a by b. So this is giving error because you cannot use modulus of with the float type variables. A is float and B is also float. You cannot use with float. So you can solve this by using typecasting. I will convert variable A. Sorry, you will have to write in the bracket int and also convert the B into int. So it will convert B variable into int and A. Then we'll use this expression. So this is running correctly and answer is accurate. So that's all for today.